Did you know vol au vent literally means flight in the wind? It's a French name chosen to describe just how light and airy this pastry is. A vol au vent is a delicate, hollow puff pastry case, crisp on the outside, soft inside, and ready to be filled with something savory or sweet. From creamy chicken and mushroom to rich seafood or custard and berries, this elegant little pastry shows off the magic of laminated dough at its finest. Let's explore how to make flight in the wind a true classic French technique.
So I'm going to start with the vol au vent first. So when you roll out your pastry, your puff pastry, 5 millimeters, make sure puff pastry once you roll it in the fridge, so it's very cold. So you use a round cutter, not a crinkles, but a round one to get smooth cut. And then you cut your circle. So don't use any flour on your puff pastry. Make your puff pastry is clean of flour, otherwise your vol au vent will not stick. So you do your base, the base is full like this. Once you get your base, you put egg wash on the base itself. Get an egg wash, make sure you put it on top, make sure it doesn't run on the side, otherwise it's going to stick your pastry and your pastry will not rise. So keep your egg wash on the top of your pastry, make sure it doesn't run on the side, so no excess, just a little bit to make it shine and stop and stick your base. Make sure also you need some space because they're going to expand slightly. So once you got your base ready, you do a top. So a top, again I got 6 base and we do 6 top. And when you're top, you use a smaller rinse. And you cut, so you cut like a donut shape. So you do something like this, like a donut. And again, use smooth rings, not a crinkle. So you put it on top. Just place it, you don't have to push hard. Again, just do it. With those offcut, we're going to make some mini bouchées, mini one for petit four, so small canapé. So I'm going to use 3 base. Same thing, bit of egg wash. We're going to use smaller cutters. Exactly same thing, you cut a bit inside. Place it on top, exactly like you did the large one. Once you got this, you egg wash the top of the ring, and just like you did before, make sure the egg wash doesn't run on the side. If it's run on the side, you might stop your vol au vent rising. So once you got this, I'll show you the secret you have to do to get them rise straight. Use a skewer or a stick and you poke 4 holes opposite to each corner. So this will help your vol au vent rise straight. So once you got this, You get a piece of baking paper, you put it on top, and that's going to go in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to rest. You need a good rest, 30 minutes minimum, you can leave it overnight. And then you bake it. So it goes in the oven 180 degrees, so about 25 minutes. And then you're going to have some nice vol au vent. So if your puff pastry has been rolled out nicely, they should be about 4 times the size initial time. So they're going to go in the oven, and we'll see in a few minutes or 20 minutes what they look like.